Imagine selling properties faster than ever. ClickFunnels can help you do just that. It's a powerful tool designed to simplify your marketing processes. In this video, we'll explore how real estate agents can leverage ClickFunnels to boost their business. Let's dive in. ClickFunnels is a platform that helps you create sales funnels. A sales funnel guides potential buyers through their journey. It takes them from awareness to decision. This is crucial in real estate, where personal connections matter. Step 1. Create a targeted landing page. Your landing page should attract leads. Use high-quality images and compelling text. Mention key features of the property. Make sure to include a clear call to action. Step 2. Set up your sales funnel. Use pre-designed templates available on ClickFunnels. These templates are customizable to suit your branding. Add sections for testimonials to build trust. Step 3. Connect your email marketing. Build a list of potential buyers through your landing page. Send them follow-up emails about new listings. Create a nurturing sequence to keep them engaged. Step 4. Use upsells and downsells. If a buyer shows interest, offer related properties. Upselling can increase your sales and provide more options for clients. Now, let's see how this works in practice. Imagine a potential buyer visits your landing page. They fill out a form showing interest in a property. After that, they receive an email with similar listings. This keeps them engaged and increases the chance of a sale. To summarize, using ClickFunnels transforms your real estate marketing. It helps create effective landing pages, sales funnels, and email campaigns. You can connect with potential buyers seamlessly. Are you ready to elevate your real estate business? Start using ClickFunnels today. Visit their website to sign up and explore more features. Don't miss out on selling properties faster and easier.